Hello, boys. Today, for math, we are going to use mental math to subtract tens from a two-digit number. And we've learned a lot of different ways that we can use, a lot of different strategies that we can use when we're subtracting, right? So we've learned how to use a number line, an open number line. We have learned how to use a hundreds chart. We have learned how to draw a picture. So today we are going to try to use mental math to subtract 10 from a two-digit number. So you can always use any of the other strategies to help you check your work to make sure your answer is correct. So today, let's turn to page 635 and complete the solve and share. It says, suppose you have 89 trading cards. You want to give your friend 10 of them. How could you find how many cards you will have left over without using paper and pencil? So you started with 89 trading cards, and then you give your friend 10 of them. When you're giving them away, remember you're getting rid of some, okay? It's subtraction. So 89 minus 10. Now I want you to look at the digits. I'm going to write 89 minus 10 even bigger. 89 minus 10. Now you'll notice that Miss Black drew, when she wrote 89 minus 10, she wrote the tens digit in red and the ones digit in blue. And that's how it's going to help you solve 89 minus 10 using mental math. So if you look at the tens digit, 8 for 80 and 1 for 10, right? There's 8 tens and 1 10. So we are going to use subtraction to help us solve this problem, okay? 8 minus 1. We know how to solve 8 minus 1. We're going to look at the tens digit, right? 8 minus 1. What is 8 minus 1? If we have 8 and we take 1 away, how many do we have now? I have 7, right? So the tens place would be 7. Now 9 minus 0. We know anytime we're adding or subtracting 0, the number doesn't change, right? 9 minus 0, if you have 9 cookies and someone takes away 0 of them, you still have 9 cookies. So our ones place, 9 minus 0 is not going to change. Only the tens place does. So our answer would be 79 trading cards. Now let's use this picture to see if we are correct. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens frames, right? Because we're starting with 89. So 8 full tens frames, and then we have a tens frame with just 9 in it. So 89. If we take away 10 of them, I'm going to cross out a full tens frame. How many are we left with? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 9 left over would be 79. And we got the same answer, right? We can give ourselves a little check. Check, check. We did it using mental math, and we checked it with a drawing to make sure that we were correct. We used tens frames. Let's try another one. On page 636, you will see the guided practice problems. Number 1 says 26 minus 10. Okay, we can cross off a group of 10 on our tens frames and then count how many are left over. We have 10 and 6 left over. Would give us 16. But let's prove it using mental math. Let's take a look at our digits in the two numbers, 26 minus 10. The tens place, the digit is 2 and 1. If we have 2 and we take away 1, we are left with 1. The ones place doesn't change because we have a 0 here. So 6 minus 0 is still 6. That doesn't change. So 26 minus 10 equals 16. The tens place goes down by 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. And this ones place doesn't change. 6 minus 0 equals 6. Let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 says 32 minus 10. Let's first look at the tens digit. The tens place. The digits are 3 and 1, right? 3 minus 1. If we have 3 and we take away 1, we're left with 2. Now we go to the ones place. 2 minus 0. Remember, anytime you add or subtract 0, it doesn't change. So the ones place stays the same. 2 minus 0 equals 2. So 32 minus 10 equals 22. Let's prove it. Let's take away 10 from our tens frames. We had 32 in all. We took away 10. How many do we have left? 10, 20, 21, 22. Check, check. We got our answer correct. Okay, numbers 3 and 4 do not have tens frames to help us, but I'm going to show you another way you can check your work without a tens frame. Let's first use mental math to solve it. 98 minus 10. Okay, we know we see an 8 and a 0 here. The 8 does not change. It stays the same. Now we have a 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 7. Oh, Miss Black is incorrect. 9 minus 1 isn't 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. So our answer is 88. 9 minus 1 is 8, and 8 minus 0 is 0. Our final answer is 88. Now, if I wanted to draw a picture, I would draw 98 first. So I have 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. And I want to take away 10 of them, right? I have to take away one group of 10. And I cross it off right here. Let's see how many we have left over. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. We got it correct. We have the same answer here and using our drawing. Okay, last but not least, our problem is 44 minus 10. We're going to do the same thing. We're subtracting 10. We see that that one digit is not going to change. 4 minus 0 is not going to change. It's going to stay a 4. Now, our tens place, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, the tens place changed, the ones place did not. So our 44 minus 10 is 34. Let's prove it with a picture. I'm going to draw 44, 4 tens, and 4 ones, and I'm going to cross out 10. So I'm going to cross out one of my tens rods. How many am I left off with? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Check, check. We got the same answer 2 different ways. That's how you check your work to make sure you got it correct. Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to use mental math to help you subtract groups of 10. Okay, open up to page 637 and try the independent practice problems on your own.